All right, so we're just sine and cosine of these graphs. All right. Once again, identify the top. Top is 5. The bottom is -1. So that distance is 6, which means our amplitude is 3. So 3 from the top puts us at 2. So make your center line. Let's change color. Let's go to red. Make your center line right across 2. I'm going to highlight this sine graph right here. I know that contradicts what I said last time because I went down instead of up, but whatever. All right, so because I went down, what do I need to start off my equation? A negative, so -3. I have a sine. Is it moved up or down at all? It's moved up by 2. All right, let's talk about the tricky part now. What is the period? Not B, what is the period? 6. Right, so if you just count, the period is 6. And that is what is equal to 2 pi over B. So what does B wind up being? Pi over 3. Or it's actually 2 pi over 6, but 2 pi over 6 reduces to pi over 3. So your pi over 3 goes in front. Now the last thing to figure out is my shift, left or right. Which direction did I go? I went left. How much? 1.5. So how do I write that? Plus or minus? Plus 1.5. All right, and that's your sine graph. So far, so good? Questions? Now, if I wanted to do cosine, I'm going to break all my previous rules. I'm going to actually highlight this one here instead of trying to find a positive cosine. Why is that one a nice graph to start with? Because it starts at 0. There is no shift. So, what's the amplitude? Okay, so the amplitude is 3, but I need a negative because it's flipped over. It's a cosine graph. What is my B? Pi over 3, right? Because the period doesn't change, so pi over 3. Period and amplitude don't change. What also doesn't change? Up or down. So we had a +2 before, so now we need a +2 over here. And how far left or right did I go? Nothing. So I'm actually done. So I wouldn't need my parentheses, but I have a pen so I can't erase it. And that's both the graphs.